What up, though? So my boy Big Hump got the air fryer, so he been cooking, doing his thing. So I don't know. The little homie just checking in, seeing what he up to. Let's see what he's up to. Got the bread, the bacon, tomato, lettuce, secret sauce, and we're gonna use some air frying today. So really, fool? You're not gonna even tell them what you making? Nah, man, they already know. It's the ingredients for a BLT, homie. Stop playing. What the hell? Laid out my bacon, and let's go. Okay, cool. Throw in those tomatoes. Gotta have the tomatoes, of course. Big, red, juicy ones. That's where we're at with it so far. That's what it's looking like. Time for some bacon. Nice, crispy, air-fried bacon. It's my first time doing this, so we'll see how it goes. It's really crunchy, though. I'll be honest. We'll see what the flavor's like, though. Break them bad boys in half. Drop it on there. We making a sandwich, y'all. We ain't shy. We get it all on there. Waste nothing. Here we are constructing the sandwich. Notice the rabbit ear Playboy gloves, though. Don't look like much, but the sandwich is coming together. Say, man, how you gonna have a BLT with no L in it? Where is the lettuce? I see secret sauce, bacon, and toasted bread. Where's the lettuce, homie? Hey, little homie, the lettuce is in there. Now, if you want to blame me for not putting avocado in there, that's one thing. I just didn't happen to have any. But I got lettuce in there, bacon, tomato. What you thinking? Would you eat that, little homie? Stop playing with me, man. You wouldn't eat that? Alright then, peace. Not saying if I would or would not eat it, but I see you doing your thing. Stay up, Big Hump. Alright, little homie. You stay up too.